Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you will want to first turn off your device by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe up to turn off your device. Once the phone turns off, you can hold power button and volume down at the same time, and when you see the Mi logo on a display, let go of the power button. This will take us to Fastboot mode, which is barely visible on the screen. There we go, you can kind of see it. You can also overexpose the hell out of this image to bring it up. There we go, so you can now see it along with the Capsule T40 display. You just clean that off, and there we go. So that's how you would boot into the Fastboot mode. Now to leave it, all you would need to do is just hold power button, and eventually this will disappear. When it does, you can let go of the power button, but this does take about 10 seconds or so. There we go, and you can see that the device is booting back up on its own. And as you can see, here we are. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.